Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have one exercise like on paper. So this equation, that our equation is 2 power log basic 2 of h all squares and plus 1 is equal h in power log basic 2 of h squares and minus 48. Do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it or this, please come back to watch my video from begin to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now to spend my time, we go to the solution together. Okay, this equation, before we solve this equation, we must take the condition. This condition is h positive and h is not equal 1. And so this for equation, I can write it's 2 and multiply 2 and power log basic 2 of h all squares and equal this I can write is h, and this I can change to in the front of log, so I get 2 and log basic 2 of h and minus 48. Okay, now for this I can write it 2 and multiply 2 and power log basic 2 of h and all powers log basic 2 of h. We see this, we use the rule that we have is and power m or power n is equal a power m and multiply n. And this also I can write is equal h in power log basic 2 of h all squares, and this we also use this rule, and minus 48. And now this we use the rule that we have as in power log basic a of h, and this we cancel, this is equal a, and so this 2 and 2 we can cancel, this we get 2 and multiply h and power log basic 2 of h is equal h and power log basic 2 of h all squares and minus 48. And now this, for this, I can let this by another water balls. Now I let, okay, t is equal h in power log basic 2 of h. Then now we know t is must be positive. Okay, now for this, we get 2t is equal t squared and minus 48. And I change this from the right side to the left hand side, so I get the new equation is t squared and minus 2t and minus 48 is equal 0. And for this, okay, now we can take this to two factors of this. We get t squared and minus 80 and plus 60 and minus 48 is equal 0. And so this we get t and multiply t minus 8 and plus 6 and multiply t minus 8 is equal 0. So this we get t minus 8 and multiply t plus 6 is equal 0. And so now this I get two values of t is equal 8 and t is equal minus 6. So this is no solution, okay, because t must be positive. Okay, now if t is equal 8, so we get the values of this, we replace it by 8 and powers log basic 2 of h. So we get 8 and power log basic 2 of h is equal 8. And now this I Take log basic 2 to both sides of this equation. So now we get log basic 2 of 8 and power log basic 2 of 8 is equal log basic 2 of 8. And this, we take it in front of log, we get this equal log basic 2 of 8 and multiply log basic 2 of 8 is equal log basic 2 of 2 power 3. And we change it now, we get this equation has log basic 2 of 8 or squares is equal 3. And so this we get log basic 2 of 8 is equal plus or minus square root 3. And we get the values of 8 is equal to and power plus or minus square root 3. So thus this equation have two solution that 8 is equal to and power square root 3 and 8 is equal to and power minus square root 3 our answer. So you are watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye.